Hello，大家，咁我哋今日咧會繼續一齊睇2025嘅 past paper 啦。咁我哋去到第六條啦。咁咧第六條咧佢呢一條咧 A part 咧係有少少關於想考慮關於 trade discount 同埋 cash discount 嘅嘢，所以我都唔係好知點樣去歸類。咁 anyway，我哋一齊睇啦。咁咧佢就講呢啲 company 咧，佢就係2021年嘅12月1號咧開始呢一個 business 啦。咁佢淨係賣一樣嘢嘅啫，而且用 weighted average cost 咧去計佢 inventory 嘅。咁呢個係 for 我哋陣間做 inventory valuation 我哋要知道嘅嘢啦。咁咧 all purchase 係 made on cash basis，所以冇 trade payable 啦。咁就係啦。咁但係我哋 sold goods 就淨係 on credit 啫，咁所以淨係得 trade receivable 啫。呢一度就係 only trade receivables 啦。咁 on a cash basis 就冇 trade payable 啦。OK，咁就好啦。咁呢個就我哋嘅 bank account 啦。咁我哋睇下邊先。Selling price of goods 係100蚊 per unit。Trade discount is given to customer for each purchase over 5000蚊。咁所以咧，如果佢係買超過5000蚊嘅話咧，我哋就會 provide trade discount 啦。咁我哋溫一溫書先。我哋有兩類型嘅 discount 啦，一類叫做 trade discounts。一類叫做 cash discounts，咁咧你千祈唔好搞亂佢哋兩者啦。Trade discounts 咧係鼓勵 bulk purchase 嘅，即係你越買得多咧，我就平多啲俾你。咁呢一個叫做 trade discount。咁我哋處理 trade discount 嘅時候咧，我哋係唔會獨立開 account 俾佢嘅，我哋直接扣佢嗰個 discount 係幾多錢嘅啫。而 cash discount 咧，佢係鼓勵 early settlement 嘅。咩意思咧？就係佢鼓勵啲人早啲還錢嘅，或者人哋鼓勵我哋早啲還錢嘅。咁如果係 cash discount 咧，我哋就會開 discount received 或者 discount allowed account 啊。如果係我哋俾人嘅，咪 discount allowed 咯。如果人哋俾我哋，咪 discount received 咯。咁但係記住啊，trade discount 係冇開 account 嘅，我哋直接扣佢個總額就 OK 噶。咁跟住而5% cash discount is offered if the customer settle within 10日。咁所以如果我哋嘅 trade receivable 10日內還錢咧，佢就會享有一個 cash discount 啦，因為佢早還錢。OK，there were only two sales transactions in the first 2 weeks. Goods were sold to David and Peter on 12月5號同埋12月11號啦。咁我哋有兩個客人。咁佢哋就 settle their accounts with a single payment。咁佢哋喺上面咧，我哋望翻 David 同 Peter 就相對應嘅日子咧去還錢啦。咁我哋睇下 David 先啦。David 喺12月5號買嘅，佢12月10號咧佢已經還咗錢啦。咁所以會 within 10日啦。咁所以佢咧係享有 discount 嘅 cash discount 啦。跟住我哋睇 Peter 啦喎，Peter 咧佢係12月11號買貨嘅，咁如果佢係10日內，即係21號啦，咁但係佢係28號先還錢，咁所以佢就冇 discount 啦，without discount，discount，OK，佢沒有享有 discount 啦，我得啦，沒有 discount 啦，OK，跟住再落啦，2024年10月29號嘅時候，佢 record sales to Judy of 3000蚊，the goods would be delivered in 2025年，咁所以咧佢呢一個10月29號呢一個 sales 咧，佢係唔應該 record 嘅，因為佢 deliver in 下年1月啦，咁所以呢個 sales 係唔應該 record 噶啦，即係我哋要有呢一個 mindset 知道啦。好，咁我哋睇 A part 先，A part 咧就要我哋填翻1、2、3、4嘅啫，OK，咁就係一個比較少見我哋即係考 discounts 嘅一個題目啦。咁咧我哋望翻先，David 咧我哋賣俾佢嘅 sales 應該係幾多咧？David 嘅 sales 望翻啦，David，我哋咧佢還咗6840蚊俾我哋啦，咁所以咧我哋有個 working 喺度啦，我寫翻個 working 喺度，workings，David 咧嘅 sales 我哋叻去做 X 啦，咁咧首先咧佢咧而家還6840，咁即係佢嘅 sales 一定會大過5000蚊啦，咁所以一定有 trade discount 噶啦，OK，咁所以我哋 X 首先乘翻佢嘅 trade discount 係10%嘅，乘以1減10%，呢一個係我哋減咗價之後嘅價錢啦。 跟住之後咧，佢係享有 cash discount 嘅，佢還咗6840啊嘛。咁所以咧，佢再乘翻呢個總數，即係我哋 after discount 嘅 price 之後咧，我哋再享有 cash discount of 5%，咁即係一減多5%，最終佢還俾我哋嘅錢係6840啦。咁我哋計翻嘞噃，6840除以0.95，再除以0.9，咁所以本身咧 X 即係 David 買嘅 list price 咧就會等於8000啦。OK，咁所以一咧就係8000啦，因為我哋係要填個 list price 啊嘛，即係 before discount 嗰個價錢啦。OK，咁跟住好啦，David 咧佢嘅 sales quantity 係幾多咧？佢係睇下先，transaction sold。嗱呢度講咗，selling price 係100蚊 per unit 啦，咁咧所以佢嘅 unit 就係等於8000除翻每一件100蚊啦，除翻咁就係80個 unit。嗱好簡單啦呢個位，咁跟住第三個咯喎，咁我哋咧要揾 Peter 嘅 sales，咁 Peter 嘅 sales 咧，我哋咧佢做 Y 啦。咁咧，Peter 咧佢還錢俾我哋咧都係超過5000蚊嘅，咁所以佢一定享有 trade discount 啦，同樣地，咁所以咧 Peter 嘅 sales 乘以一減10%，咁但係佢冇 cash discount 嘅，咁所以佢今次唔需要減5%啦，就等於佢還咗5130俾我哋，咁所以佢嘅 sales 咧5130除翻0.9，咁就係5700啦，咁所以三就係5700啦，即係 Peter 嘅 sales at list price。而第四咧就係用翻5700除翻100蚊一件，咁你就會揾到係57個 unit。OK，就係咁啦。俾翻個 working 先，呢個 working 先啦，working 先，跟住 working 先，working 先，就係咁啦。咁就即係純粹係清一清 concept 嘅嘢啦。咁就 suppose 你應該 by now 你應該識分到 trade discount 同 cash discount 噶啦。咁跟住第 B 啦，B 係 accounting concept 嚟嘅，佢就問 with reference to 3呢一個啦，呢一個 transaction，佢咧應該 apply 邊一個 scenario 啦？咁好明顯啊，你見到佢講緊 deliver 嘅 goods，即係我哋 record sales 呢啲 revenue recognition 嘅嘢咧，關於 revenue recognition 嘅嘢咧，一定係 realization 噶啦。OK，咁所以咧，我哋可以寫翻啦。Realization should be applied to this scenario 啦。scenario，咁你見到都係嗰3分都係嗰個拆嘅方法噶啦，即係concept and definition 跟住 application 啦。咁咧，according to this concept, revenue should be recognized when goods are delivered and accepted by customers, or when service has been provided。嗱，呢個係個 definition 啦，咁所以最後 application 啦。Therefore, since those goods would be delivered in January, Lily company should not recognize this sales in December 啦。OK，咁就係因為佢喺2025年嘅1月佢先會去寄呢批貨啦，咁所以佢喺2024年嘅12月嘅時候就唔應該 recognize 做 sales，就係咁啦，咁冇乜特別嘅。再落啦，跟住 information about 我哋 purchase 啦，睇下先。好，Lily Company purchase goods at $40 per unit and 55 per unit 啦，即係買咗2次貨啦。咁跟住咧，亦都退翻 damage 嘅 goods to supplier，係啦。咁所以我哋而家揾翻我哋嘅 closing inventory in unit 係幾多咧？咁我哋一開頭咧，睇下先。嗱，佢係12月，即係啱啱開嘅，咁所以佢冇 opening inventory 啦。咁咧，我哋買入咗2次貨嘅，咁我哋咧第一次咧係買入咗4000蚊啦，除翻開佢係40蚊件，再加我哋買入8250，除翻55蚊件啦。嗱，我哋買咗2次貨，跟住退翻走嘅貨咧，return hours 咧係385，除翻佢係退翻7號買嗰批貨，12月7號，咁即係退翻55蚊咁多件貨啦。而我哋賣走咗幾多件貨咧？頭先我哋已經計咗噶啦，賣走80同埋57件啦，減翻80，減翻57件，跟住就可以計啦。4000除40加8250除55，再減350除5，再減80減57，咁應該會揾到係106個 units of closing inventory 啦。嗱，呢一度係 L，呢度係 purchase，呢一個係 return hours，呢個係 sales。OK，咁咧，好，咁最後咧就計埋個 weighted average cost per unit 啊，unit of closing inventory。咁我哋點樣計咧？我哋就計翻我哋咧 purchase 減翻 return hours 嘅價錢啦，4000再加翻8250減翻385，除翻我哋呢一度有幾多個 unit 啊？睇先，4000除40係100個 unit 啦，再加8250除55，150 unit 減翻350除50。7個 unit，8250減350，除翻100加150減7，咁你就可以揾到咧。我哋應該係哎呀48.83啦，係咁。